Track is jam-packed, playing it back to back, yes. Yo, time to forget the stress. Just one life, baby, we beyond blessed. Sunlight in my pocket, stardust in my cup. All your friends invited, cause we go light it up.
Say happy birthday, Sophia. Ayun siya.
You know exactly what to do, yes you do. Nobody moves like we do, yeah we do.
Happy birthday, Sophie!
Happy birthday, Sophie!
Happy birthday, Sophie!
You know exactly what to do, yes you do.
Safety din, halong hindi ako nakasalita. Ano ba yan? I wish you to be more successful. Akin pala yun. Hindi.
Happy birthdays!
Sorry, wait. My first
Happy
birthday.
Happy first
Okay,
birthday.
okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy first birthday, Sophie!
We love you! Bye-bye! Hindi, joke lang. Di ba isa ba? Babay? Ba't babay?
Asan?
Ba't babay?
Happy birthday, Sophie!
May favorite book kasi ako, parang bida doon, pangalan Sophie. Yun yung naisip ko na ipangalan sa unang baby na babae.
Nung manganganak na ako, nung sinulat ko siya sa 4, biglang nag-pop sa akin na, ba't ako naiyak? Parang ewan.
Umiyak.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Sabay-sabay nating i-welcome at palakpakan Sophia!
Watch over our little one as he grows. Guide her steps and surround her with her protection and grace. We lift up to you, O Lord, the protection of each and every one, and have a happy celebration with us. And the first day of our granddaughter, Sophia Elise.
Pinakagusto ko sa kanya, ano siya, masiyahin. Gusto ko yung trait niya na yun. Tapos siguro paglaki niya, ano siya, magiging siyang curious, independent woman. Which is gusto ko
Like me.
sa kanya. Mana niya sa kanya.
Very clingy siya sa akin.
Okay.
Though kahit nakakapagod, pero alam mo yung isang hug na lang. O, diba, Sophie?
This is what we're waiting for.
Happy birthday, Sophie!
This is what we're waiting for.
Sige, sige.
So let's get away and we can go out, chase the feeling. This could be a new beginning.
I wish you na lumaki kang mabuti, mabait, at masunuring mata. I love you.
Anak, Sophie, happy first birthday. Thank you, anak, for you being with us. Sobrang saya namin kasi nakaka-inspire. Tapos, sana lumaki kang God-fearing, mabuting anak. Tapos, gusto ko ma-reach mo yung full potential mo paglaki mo. Happy first birthday, Sophie! We love you!
This is what we're waiting for.